Hi guys, you're welcome. I've got an interesting gist for you today. Having a man that loves and supports you is a blessing. Ultimate Love Theresa shower praise on Iyke. Theresa can't stop showering praises on her partner Iyke since the end of Ultimate Love show. Theresa and Iyke met in Ultimate Love show as strangers before becoming lovers, as they were paired together to win the ultimate prize. They adopted the couple name Iykeresa, which has remained with them till date. They ended up as the first runner-up with a large fan base behind eventual winners Roksie and Kachin. A few hours ago, Theresa took to her Instagram page to share a photo of her and her partner Iyke. Captioning the photo, she wrote, "Having a man that loves you is nice, but having a man that loves and supports you is a blessing." Fans reacted in their numbers to the power couple, wishing them the best while praying that their love stand the test of time. Meanwhile, just in case you missed this, Theresa slammed organizers of Ultimate Love reality TV show some days ago, saying Iykeresa was denied the Ultimate Love crown as they were a better couple than Roksie. This statement drew so much reactions from fans who slammed her for saying such. What are your thoughts, guys? Please drop your comments in the section below. If you are new, don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notifications when a story drops.